We now know why Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess is stepping down from his role at the company. A report from Bloomberg says he was ousted after a number of severe software development delays and setbacks. Those setbacks disrupted the scheduled launches of a handful of Porsches, Bentleys, and Audis. Adding insult to injury, that same buggy software is what originally delayed the Volkswagen ID cars. On top of that, Diess was not exactly popular among the VW brass, mostly due to his, let's say, tough leadership style. It's reported that Diess routinely would clash with labor leaders and tell them the company was losing out to other automakers like Tesla, and that they would need to cut thousands of jobs if they didn't catch up. Failures at VW's software unit Cariad killed what little support he had left within the Porsche and PX families, and they're the ones who call the shots at the company. Those issues ended up causing the electric Porsche Macan to be pushed back, meaning the company's IPO also had to be moved. Bentley's plans to go all-electric by 2030 are on life support, and Audi's lineup of EVs have been pushed back to 2027. Starting September 1st, VW is going to be headed by current Porsche CEO Oliver Blume, and Diess is going to be looking for a new job. For the latest automotive news, head on over to Jalopnik.com.